In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT on mobile 2026 full guide. First, before you download anything, make sure your device meets the basic system requirements so you don't run into installation errors later. If you're on Windows, you'll need Windows 10 with a 64-bit or ARM64 architecture version 17763 or higher, or Windows 11. On a Mac, you'll need Mac OS 14, also known as Sonoma or newer, and it has to be running on Apple Silicon like an M1, M2, M3, or newer chip. Intel-based Macs aren't supported for this app. A quick tip. On Windows, you can confirm your system type in Settings under System and About, and on a Mac, check the chip in the About This Mac panel. Next, always download from the official source to avoid fake clones or unsafe installers. Open your browser and go to openai.com/chatgpt/desktop. This page routes you to the correct verified download for your platform. If you're on Windows, clicking the Windows download will take you to the Microsoft Store. You can also open the Microsoft Store directly, search for ChatGPT, and choose the listing published by OpenAI. Click Get or Install, and Windows will handle the secure download and installation in the background. If you see a prompt to confirm the install, just accept it and let the store complete the setup. On macOS, click the macOS download to get a .dmg installer from OpenAI. Open your downloads folder, double-click the .dmg to mount it, then drag the ChatGPT icon into your applications folder. When you launch it the first time, macOS may show a security dialog. Click Open to proceed. If you ever see a warning that the app is from the internet, that's normal for first launches. Confirm you trust the source since you downloaded it from OpenAI. Once the app is installed, open it and choose Log In. Sign in with your usual credentials, or use single sign-on, like continue with Google if that's how your account is set up. After you're in, try the quick launcher. On Windows, press Alt plus space. On a Mac, press Option plus space. This brings up a lightweight input bar so you can start a prompt from anywhere. If another app uses the same shortcut, you can change it later in the app settings. And when you try features like advanced voice or screen context tools, your system may ask for microphone, camera, or accessibility permissions. Choose Allow so everything works smoothly. That's it. Moving from a browser tab to the dedicated app gives you faster access, native hotkeys, and hands